Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle the keyboard backlight on your Dell Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To toggle the keyboard backlight, we have to use F9 function key right here, and it toggles the keyboard backlight, but in order for it to work you have to unlock function keys. So press Fn and Esc buttons simultaneously once, and after that you'll be able to use to press it once to turn on the dim keyboard backlight. To make it brighter, press F9. Press F9 once again, and then pressing it the last time will turn the keyboard backlight off. And that's how you regulate the keyboard backlight on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.